This one sentence will change the way you use ChatGPT forever. In a minute, I'm going to ask you to write some copy for my business. This will include blog content, Instagram posts, and sales emails. Before we begin, I want you to fully understand my business and customers. And here's the sentence that will change everything. Ask me at least 20 questions about my business, customers, audience, and anything else you need in order to complete the task to the best of your ability. Now, rather than just writing some article based on a one-sentence prompt, ChatGPT is going to ask you as many questions as it needs to in order to provide you with the best possible content. Now, we're going to go ahead and answer as many of those questions as we want to, and ChatGPT might even follow up with some additional questions. Answer everything you can, and now when you ask it to brainstorm some ideas for content or even write the content, the quality of the results you're going to get is so much higher now that it has a really good understanding of you and your business. For more tips and to get access to our